An embankment in the area of Dombemada in Rambukkana had collapsed at around 3:30 this morning, engulfing a house located at the foot of the embankment. 4 persons, the parents, their daughter and a teenage girl who is a relative, had been in the house at the time of the incident. Army personnel were deployed immediately to rescue them. However, a spokesperson of the Rambukkana hospital said that the mother, the daughter and the teenage girl had already succumbed by the time they were admitted to the hospital. The father of the family, however, is alive and the 46-year-old is not in critical condition. His deceased wife was 36 years of age while their daughter was just 8. Meanwhile, the police said that the 13-year-old relative of the family who lost her life was from Rajanganaya. There was another tragedy elsewhere in Narammala. An earth slip had crushed a house in the area of Vennoruwa last night. A mother and her 2 children had been inside the house at the time. Though the mother and her son were unscathed, the daughter, a 23-year-old nurse at a private hospital in Colombo, had sustained injuries and succumbed after she was admitted to the Narammala hospital.
More than 7,000 people have been affected due to the bad weather situation prevailing since few days' time, and 11 deaths been reported since 27th of the last month, and in 24 hours 5 deaths been reported. More than 796 houses partially damaged, and so they will be observed by these Gramdas and soonly they will be given the compensation. So we are advising all people to be very vigilant with that signs of the landslides. If a sign's been observed, so they need to move from these locations. Slanting trees and electric poles, maybe just sudden muddy springs, maybe appearing or disappearing.
In the meantime, the National Building Research Organisation today announced an extension to the landslide warning issued to some districts yesterday.
Warning level 2 amber was issued to LPT and Baddegama Division Secretary Division Galle District, Bulat Sinhala, Palindanwara, Agalawatta and Matugama Division Secretary Division in Kantara District, Gangahila Korle Division Secretary Division Kandy District, Aranayaka, Bulat Kohopitiya, Mavanalla, Rambukkana, Deyovita and Kegol Division Secretary Division Kegol District, Narammala Division Secretary Division in Kurunegala District, Ayagama, Ratnapura, Kalawana and Aheligoda Division Secretary Division in Ratnapura District.
Meanwhile, a person perished in Akmimana as he was washed away by the currents of the Thottakoda Canal along with his bicycle as he was travelling along the Thottakoda-Kurundakanda road. The 48-year-old father of 5 is from the area of Kurundakanda. The heavy deluge experienced in the island is continuing to have a profound impact on people's lives. Many low-lying areas located in the Kalaniya River Basin are under threat of floods.
We need to continually alert on these people who are living beside the Kalani Ganga and also the Kalu Ganga and Gingang and Nilwala Ganga. There are some locations being identified as rising water levels to the irrigation department, and for the Mahawa area, red alerts being issued by the irrigation department, and we are continuously alerting the vulnerable communities.
Experts say that the areas coming under Daraniyagala, Kitulagala, Holambuwa, Dehiyovita, Ruwanwella, Seethawaka, Dumpe, Kaduwela, Biyagama, Kolonnawa, Colombo and Vattala divisional secretariats will face a flood situation within the coming hours. Though the situation is not critical yet, several areas, however, are already underwater. Meanwhile, the Department of Irrigation warns that the areas falling under the Alauwa, Deulapitiya, Mirigama, Pannala, Vennapuwa, Nigambo, Katana, Narammala and Dankotuwa divisional secretariats will face a serious flood threat. The roads and some low-lying areas in the said regions are already inundated. In the meantime, the by-roads of the Narammala-Udugampala-Gedara road are also affected due to the heavy deluge. The heavy rains are also forcing the spill gates of various reservoirs to be opened. The 3rd and 4th spill gates of the Victoria Reservoir were opened at around 5 this morning, inundating the low-lying areas. Though the forecast of maximum rainfall was around 150 millimeters yesterday, a downpour of 300.4 millimeters was recorded from the area of Nochiyagama in Anuradhapura within the last 24 hours. It was the highest in the country.
We have standby with our search and rescue teams in many locations in Kurunegala, Puttalam and also in Kaltara district, one locations and other vulnerable areas as well.
Glow and Handsome. එහි ඇති මල්ටිවිටමින් සහ UV ෆිල්ටර්ස් දෙගුණයකින් වැඩි දීප්තියක් ලබා දෙයි.
මුණ ගැන හිතන්න. හිරු කිරණින් ආරක්ෂා කරගන්න.